We expected to learn more today about records of children in Dallas County juvenile custody after allegations that some were held in isolation for improper periods of time. Commissioner Andrew Summerman sued the county juvenile department for access to those records called observation sheets. But Fox 4's Sean Rabb reports the juvenile records dispute is still not settled.
The hearing today was supposed to decide whether County Commissioner Andrew Summerman could get 90,000 observation sheets, records of juveniles in the juvenile detention center. The judge, Eric Moye, did not rule on that today because of another investigation taking place.
The Texas Juvenile Justice Department ought to be able to proceed unfettered for a definite period of time.
Because of the state's criminal investigation into allegations of neglect and abuse at the Henry Wade Juvenile Justice Center, Judge Eric Moye pushed pause on the hearing to decide whether Commissioner Andrew Summerman, a member of the Juvenile Board, gets documents he's seeking, 90,000 observation sheets.
That takes precedence certainly over anything the Commissioner's Court is doing, especially because in my view they have very limited powers. I think they're frustrated by that, but they have very limited powers in this regard.
Summerman says his focus is different from the Office of Inspector General.
Commissioner Court decides how much we're paying people to observe these children, where the TJJD is more along the lines of, are they following policies and procedures?
The state search could cover what Summerman wants, but the Office of Inspector General has not specifically said what its investigation encompasses.
Because we don't know exactly what the OIG is looking for yet, there's a potential that they do ask for the same records, in which case it could actually help everyone.
If there has been neglect and abuse inside Henry Wade, Executive Director Darrell Beatty says he wants to know.
We welcome the fact that TJJD is coming in and looking. Matter of fact, I asked for them to do an audit early so that we can look and see what we need to do as far as reforms or anything that we need to prepare to make sure we take care of kids in the best interest of our community.
Judge Eric Moye did not rule today. He told the attorneys for the Juvenile Department to report back in 21 days or less exactly what the state is looking at. Then he'll make a decision on whether Commissioner Andrew Summerman will be able to see the documents he's requested. Sean Rabb, Fox 4 News.
So the court hopes to know more about the state investigation into the juvenile department in the next 3 weeks, but there's no specific timetable on how long that investigation must take.